The Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum is a renowned skincare product specifically designed to help with wrinkles, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. This video will dive into the key ingredients behind the serum, guide you on its correct application, and highlight the do's and don'ts for optimal results. Now, the Retinol B3 Serum includes the key ingredients that are really beneficial for the skin. The first ingredient is pure and gradual release retinol, which is a powerhouse ingredient for reducing the appearance of deep wrinkles. Retinol stimulates collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining the skin elasticity and the firmness. This can also help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By promoting the cell turnover and collagen production, retinol can actually improve the overall skin's texture, making it more smoother and more even. And you'll also find that it will help to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation by speeding up the rate at which skin cells are shedding. The next ingredient is vitamin B3, also known as niacinamide. Niacinamide is known for supporting the skin's barrier function. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness, blotchiness, and the overall appearance of irritated skin, making it beneficial for conditions like acne and rosacea. Niacinamide can help regulate the amount of oil the sebaceous glands produce and prevent your glands from going into overdrive, making it a great choice for those with oily skin and open large pores. Finally, niacinamide can reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation by slowing down the transfer of melanin to your skin's epidermis. So another key ingredient in the Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum is glycerin, which is a moisturizing agent that helps in repairing and protecting the skin barrier, keeping the skin hydrated and supple. And finally, we have sodium hyaluronate, known as hyaluronic acid. HA is an effective humectant that can hold a large amount of water to help maintain the skin's moisture. Now, these ingredients work together to provide a significant anti-aging effect while also ensuring optimal skin tolerance. Let's now jump into how to use the Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum in your skincare routine. So you want to begin with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils. You want to go in with a second cleanse. Then it's time to apply toner, completely optional. Then you want to go in and apply the Retinol B3 Serum, 2 to 3 drops in the evening to clean, dry skin. You will then apply this across the face, neck, and décolletage, and then finish with your moisturizer to maintain the skin hydration and lock in your serum. Now, there are a few do's and don'ts when it comes to using the serum in your skincare routine. So it is important that you do use the serum in the evening, as retinol can make your skin more photosensitive to the sun. You also want to include sunscreen in your morning routine to protect your skin, and test the serum on a small area of your skin to check for any adverse reactions before you start using it regularly in your skincare routine. Now, for the don'ts, you don't want to overuse the serum. So with retinol, you do want to start off just a few times a week, and then you can increase how often you use it as your skin adjusts. You don't want to mix retinol with other potent actives like vitamin C or chemical exfoliants. And then, of course, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, unfortunately, you need to give retinol a break, and you shouldn't be using retinol while you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Just consult with your doctor. The Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum is an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their skincare routine with a product that offers anti-aging benefits. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results, and always pay attention to how your skin responds to adjust your routine accordingly. If you want to learn more about the Roche-Posay range, then definitely check out this playlist here next.